What's up guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove water spots instantly with our Masterson's Magic Water Spot Remover. Now if your car got hit with sprinklers just like this one, or you got hard water stains on your paint, your glass, or your wheels, this is gonna be a full tutorial on how to get rid of water spots. Now here at Masterson's Car Care, we know water spots are a pain to deal with, so we developed our Magic Water Spot Remover from the ground up to be the ultimate water spot remover for paint, glass, cars, trucks, motorcycles, all surfaces around the vehicle. Now this comes in a 16 ounce and it comes in a gallon size. So if you're a pro and you want a big size or you want to do it at home, we have a solution just for you to get rid of the water spots. Now there's an easy thing to do at home, and you can do this simple and fast. All you need is some Magic Water Spot Remover, a towel, and you also need some water. I have some in a spray bottle, or you can use a garden hose. Now what is water spots? Water spots are a mineral deposit when your car gets hit with hard water. So water has things like calcium, rust, fluoride, minerals, and deposits inside of the water. And when it dries on the vehicle, it actually leaves stains. So this car has really bad water spots because it got hit with sprinklers. So if you check out how bad the water spots are, they're thick, they're embedded, and they're layers of water spots. And you can even hear it. When you rub your hand on the car, there's thick water spots. So how do you get rid of those? First thing you need to do is wash the car. Owner already washed this car and the water spots didn't come off. So that's when you want to go ahead and use some water spot remover. So I got some tape right here, and I'm going to put a 50-50 line right down the middle of the door. And we're going to show you a great before and after on how to remove water spots. So let's take a piece of tape, throw it right down the middle. And now let's clean this side right here. So what we're going to do first is take some water. So you can use a hose or you can use some in a spray bottle. I'm gonna use some in a spray bottle, and I'm just gonna mist the surface to get it wet. Now let's take our water spot remover. Now our water spot remover is designed to remove heavy water spots. So we're gonna spray it on the surface, cover the area, and then we're going to work it in with a microfiber towel. There we go. Now I'm gonna take my microfiber towel and I'm gonna start working it in. There we go, and I just rub it into the paint and let the chemical do the job. And you already see it's already starting to break down the water spots on the surface. So you can actually do this as you wash the car, or you can do it separately. There we go. And just rub it in. And you notice, look at the water spots. They're already significantly gone. Check that out. Works fast, works easy, it's safe for the trim as well. And now once we have the surface clean from the water spots, we're gonna take some water and we're gonna rinse the surface clean. As you see, I'm thoroughly rinsing the surface. I could do this with a hose, but I'm going to do it with a microfiber towel and some water in a spray bottle. And now that my surface is clean, I'm just going to dry the surface with a towel. Now look at that, man. We're absorbing a lot of water off the surface, but that took off all of the water spots, man. Now we're going to take our piece of tape off, and we're going to grab another towel just to dry the surface. I want a bigger drying towel to absorb that water. Here we go. And look at the difference, guys. Instantly, we were able to pull off all the water spots. The paint actually feels slick as glass. And over here, look. All these water spots super built up. This will not come off with just water. It had to be taken off with a proper chemical like our Magic Water Spot Remover. That is incredible, super slick, and now it's ready to be waxed. So after you remove water spots from the vehicle, all you need to do is put on your favorite wax or your favorite sealant, and your car is ready for the road. So don't let water spots turn into a big problem. Just go ahead and eliminate them easy with our Masterson's Magic Water Spot Remover. You can pick this up on our website, mastersonswax.com, or from your favorite detailing shop where they stock Masterson's car care products. So it comes in a 16 ounce size, also comes in a gallon, and we developed this product to be the ultimate water spot remover from the ground up. So we developed the product, sent it around the world, tested it, and now we have the ultimate water spot remover to remove these things so fast. So if you guys want to pick it up, go to our website, mastersonswax.com. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. If you want to learn more about detailing and you want to pick up those tips and tricks from the pros, click that subscribe button, give us a like and a follow, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.